Hello everyone, you are welcome to our tech. It's the tech and technology. Now the world and you are being advanced with the internet. So expand you. We are going to expand you to different social medias. Yeah, you have joined to through different social media. Haven't you? Yes or no? I think yes. Today we are going to talk about YouTube benefits. So let's begin today's YouTube benefits. Number one benefits is you are sharing and expanding your knowledge to all your viewers. That means you are sharing your knowledge like flowers here. It seeds to everyone and grows one by one. And you are being famous and knowing to all the people through different countries, different regions, and different time. You are connected to these friends, yeah. And number three is you are earning money through it if you needed it. Yes or no? By sharing your videos, knowledge. There are in YouTube there are many categories you can choose. Some of them are like entertainment, education, how to and style, or blogs or travel and events. YouTube gets out of your boredom because you are connected through all the people and you get relaxed and just chill. So these are the benefits of YouTube. Meet you in next video. Just subscribe it. What you want that you can do it. In next video we are going to talk about another tech, so be with this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.